Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, we have done 78 and 79. We are given the homework. See,
78 that we have done.
78 and 79 we have done. We have
Okay.
given us the homework.
Hmm. Correct. Samriddhi, why camera is switched off, beta?
Ma'am, and 80 also.
सर काल मतलब जो मतलब बाहर
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning.
मतलब तालीम नहीं देते
Good morning, ma'am.
सिखाते थे।
Good morning, beta.
Good morning, my dear ma'am.
Yes, dear.
रंगलो जमकारिंद्री छोड़ा तारा और छबिला तारा और रंगीला तारा रंग दे बुझे तारीवार रंगलो जमकारिंद्री छोड़ा तारा और छबिला तारा और रंगीला तारा रंग दे
Good morning, Swati ma'am. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Ma'am, what are we doing?
Ma'am, I think I came late, so what are we doing? I can't understand. Ma'am, I think I'm late. What are we doing? Good morning, ma'am.
Jariwala Jahan, switch on your camera and you tell me whether I need to send you the answers on page number 78, 79 and 80 or shall we proceed further? Please chat and revert me.
No, ma'am.
Vansh Balchandan, you are just sitting in the night dress only, not getting ready. Very bad. And Dhruv, why your camera is not visible properly, Dhruv? Where are you? You're not on your place. Okay, now you are there.
Jahan Jariwala, still you have not switched on your mic, I mean camera. Jahan beta. I feel happy looking at you, you know, Jahan. I like to see such intelligent and sweet faces.
Rudra Mangukia, turn on your camera. And Ridhan and Shubh, you are not on your place. Ridhan, Goyal and Shubh. You both are not on your place. Yes, Shubh is there now. Twisha Chandrana, turn on your camera.
Ma'am, in fourth it should come AN. N University.
Yeah, ma'am, and university it should come. Fourth one.
Just a minute. Huh? Let us see. An ice cream, an European, an urn, or university. Why you have problem? Where you have problem, dear? An African.
Ma'am, in fourth one it should come
It's you now.
N University.
Samu, Vivan, together you cannot speak.
Ma'am, I am
Chat
telling.
and ask me, I shall answer you. Chat and ask me, I shall answer you. Vihan, when we say umbrella, umbrella, we don't say umbrella. That time it is an umbrella. Do you get me? When we say an umbrella, that U is pronounced as a and not as U. But in university, we don't say university. We say university. And so this university is a or the. We cannot say an university. Am I clear? Kayuri ma'am, am I audible properly?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Vihan?
Yes.
Yes, of
Audible properly, ma'am.
Okay. So, Miki, I hope you have understood that when U is pronounced as a and not as U, that time,
I know that.
exactly, correct, Miki. You know that, I know. But sometimes while writing, you make mistakes. Though you know everything, all the rules, but while writing hastily, you make many mistakes. So, I want you to improve in that area. Okay. So, when we say umbrella, umbrella, that comes an umbrella because U is pronounced as a. But in university, U is pronounced is as U, university, and so it is a university. Is that clear now, Samu?
And could you scroll down? Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, of course, I'm scrolling down. And what happens? There is no difference between mom and ma'am, you know. Because in the class 100 times I have told you that in the school the teacher is the mother. So if you call me ma'am or mom, no difference does it make. African, A. So an African.
Ma'am,
An
in
African.
it can come in 1 rupee coin.
Which number?
Ma'am, but
Tell me the number or cat me the number. Cat me the number.
Ma'am, eight, and 1 rupee coin.
An Eskimo, a hair, a 1 rupee coin, a color, a uniform. Again here uniform is pronounced as uniform and not uniform. So it is a uniform and not an uniform.
Ma'am, we are talking about eighth.
8. Ma'am, 8 number. 1 rupee coin.
Please chat and ask. Please chat and ask.
Ma'am, but it could also come like African came to India.
No. How can it be a African? It must be an African or the African. Rahil Patel, enough now. We are not discussing about mom or ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes, dear.
11th one is an honest man.
Where?
Yeah. Honest man, the 11th question.
Honest is an honest because H is silent here. In honest, H is silent and we pronounce it as orange, honest. Ornament,
Ma'am,
honest,
can you scroll down?
orange. So it is an.
Okay, so ma'am, like, so in
you scroll
these
down?
words also we, the silent letters also we see.
Because
Yeah,
A and
can you
an
show?
depends upon,
11 and
listen,
12.
A and an depends upon the pronunciation and not which letter, upon the which letter is used. It depends upon the pronunciation, not
Ma'am.
upon which letter is used.
Ma'am, here it is 1 rupee coin, so it should come and 1 rupee coin.
We pronounce it as v. For v, we don't use an. Once again, I'm telling you, don't look at the letter which is given. Understand, speak it. Understand, listen yourself which pronounce it is produced. And then it cannot come and 1 rupee. See, it sounds so horrible. So weird when we say an 1 rupee, because before w it never comes an.
Can you show 11th and 12th?
What do you want me to
Ma'am,
show?
can you show 9?
Scroll down.
Ma'am, can you
Scroll down.
11 and 12th of 78 page number?
78 again. Is it all right?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can you listen me?
Faster, beta. I have to scroll down.
Swati ma'am, Farzan wants to say something.
Okay, Farzan. Yes, Farzan.
Ma'am, can you scroll up?
He has gone left only. Why Megda's mic is on? Megda, will you please off?
I was asking something.
Yes,
Okay.
Mickey, please. You may ask through chat, Mickey, so others will not get disturbed. And those who are interested really in lesson, they will take the answer. So please communicate through chat. Now I am scrolling down, na beta.
What is this cross?
Please tell me the number.
7th and 8th
Cross,
cross.
cross. See, cross out both if none is needed. That is, see, read
Yes,
the
ma'am.
heading of the question. Where there is not needed any article, neither a nor an nor the, there we shall put cross, because unnecessarily we are not supposed to use any article. You know, I cannot say the Miqdad is writing. I should say only Miqdad is writing. I cannot say the Miqdad, a Miqdad. So there, no article will come before that particular noun.
Ma'am, can you show the first,
Mhm.
second, third also?
Ayush, there is actually a problem of audibility. So please chat and ask.
Ma'am,
Don't say ma'am, come on, say yes, ma'am. In 11th question, it should come Asamiu. I told you just now, H is silent. H
no,
is
ma'am.
silent in honest. H is silent in honest. And so we cannot pronounce it as honest. We are pronouncing it at honest, like an orange. By mistake, it is silent T. H is silent in honest. So it is honest like an orange. Rudra Master, sit properly, beta. And so it is an honest. It is an honest. Samu, I hope you are clear about it. Ayush, which one you want to see? One page number, what exercise number?
B, 79 page number B. Question 1. Answer 1 of B.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, Anu, thank you. I hope everybody has understood now. Paranika, I have shown question 1 to 3. Finish fast. Yes, Ayush, please.
Ma'am, in first, there is an egg in O basket.
There is an eagle. No. Here, why the basket? Because it is said that it is indicating a particular basket, not in any basket. Okay, where the basket particularly in which the eagle was sitting. Okay, so an eagle is correct. An eagle in the basket. I'm sorry, not eagle, egg. Egg.
An egg.
An egg in the basket. Man started again sending nonsense things. Very good, Man. Expecting. And don't show this all comedy faces. It is not acceptable.
Ma'am.
No, no, that doesn't mean that you have to switch off your camera. Man Rajodia, immediately switch on your camera. Yes, Farzu, I'm scrolling down. Now, may I scroll down? Ayush, Parnika?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, but I am on fourth.
Fourth.
Rudra, what is wrong, beta? Why are you disturbed? Rudra Master.
Yes, because Rudra, otherwise he is a very good, properly active student. Today he is not looking very active. Is there anything wrong, Rudra, with you?
Ma'am, in
Yes, you
7
go.
why there is cross?
That's what I'm telling. When there is no article needed, Rudra. See, when I have to say that Rudra is writing story, I will say a Rudra is writing a story. Will I say that? Will I say the Rudra is writing a story? No. So before Rudra, though Rudra is a noun, but before noun, we don't need any article. So that there is a cross. Then no need any article before that particular noun. Okay, a story, the story is correct, but a Rudra, the Rudra I will not use.
In
So
short,
that
not
is why.
applicable.
So cross means indicates that there is no need of using any article.
Sia, will you please mute yourself? When ma'am is speaking, your mic is on. It is not then audible properly. Sia Patel,
Ma'am,
please mute yourself.
ma'am, what is 10 answer?
What is?
10th answer.
Swati ma'am, I am happy that Vaidi from last 2 days, she has become little bit sincere. Huh?
And she is completing also her work. So Vaidi, big hand from both the teachers for
Yes,
you.
very good,
We
very
are
good.
very happy with you.
Keep
Very
up,
good.
keep
Very
up
nice.
this work only. Do not, you know.
Keep this work up, Vaidi. We always now expect from you. Very good girl you have become now. Very good, Vaidi. We are happy.
Ma'am,
Yes, dear.
go on C exercise.
Ayush, either you speak loudly or you chat.
Ma'am, can you go on the C exercise? C?
Which one?
C.
See exercise.
Next one.
See.
Next one. Yes, I'm
You can
scrolling.
scroll down.
Now in this C, it is said, circle the ones that are wrongly used.
Ma'am, I have done the page number 80 also.
Okay, good, beta. Here it should come. Children love to watch cartoon films. That's all. The children, the cartoon films, not needed at all. Children love to watch cartoon films. That's all. The children, not needed.
Ma'am, scroll down. Ma'am, scroll down.
Scrolling, dear.
Ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
Rudra.
can you little bit scroll up?
Yeah,
How?
ma'am. This scroll up. Yes, ma'am.
See, I have sent this in the classroom also. I have sent this the same thing in the classroom. You may go there and check yourself. You may go there.
Excuse me, ma'am. I'm having a network issue, so I can't use my laptop. I'm using my mom's phone, so ma'am, I can't go to the classroom. Otherwise, I have to leave the meeting.
Okay. So I shall be sending in the chat box as well.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, ma'am, why you have underlined the in this?
Wait, wait a minute. I'm showing you. Yes, which one you are talking about?
Ma'am, I'm
Which one you are talking about?
yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, I was talking about the C exercise and the G exercise.
Ma'am, scroll down. Scroll down.
No, no, Swati ma'am, Rudra Mangukia was
Somebody asked me why you have underlined this. Somebody asked me that.
it was Rudra Mangukia. It was Rudra Mangukia. He is asking in like in
Okay.
number 2, why you have underlined the. Some of the places you have underlined and some of the places you have circled. What is the difference?
Beta, where read the heading of the title of the question. It is said that underline the definite articles, which are correct articles, there we should underline. And the articles which are not necessary should be circled. So where there is correctly used the, there it is underlined. When the use of the is wrong, there it is circled. Read the question properly, you will come to know.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I
Yes, Vaidi?
ma'am, I have a question. Ma'am,
Ayush, louder, huh?
ma'am, I have a question.
That I understood, but ask louder.
In the fourth one, it is that the Disneyland is a theme park. So you have done nothing to O. O is also article.
It is a theme park. Is correct. So it should be underlined, right? It should be underlined. Okay.
Please, beta.
Rahil, stop singing.
Ma'am, the in Fort California and the people, so the will be also underlined.
The will not be underlined. The will be circled, ma'am. And the people. What is the people?
But it can't come like California and people.
So it should be underlined.
Line, right? It can't come and people.
The people from all around the world.
Ma'am, in fifth question, it is a great place for the tourists.
Samu, loudly.
Written?
Loudly, Samriddhi.
Ma'am, I am telling that in fifth question, it is should also be the underlined. Ma'am, yes. It is a great place for the
A great
sun,
place.
should be underlined.
Now is it all right?
And ma'am, yeah.
Yeah, ma'am.
And ma'am, one more thing. It is a
And
great
Samu, why
place
your
for
camera is switched off?
ma'am.
Yes,
It is
Vaidi.
a
Ayush, just wait. Let Vaidi speak. Yes, Vaidi.
Ma'am,
Do you want to ask anything, Vaidi? Or else switch off your mic.
No.
Okay, then switch off your mic, Vaidi. Yes, Ayush.
ma'am, I was saying that
Nikki, please send in the chat.
ma'am, it is a great place for the tourists is also going to come. How can
No,
it
no, no.
come?
For
It is
tourist. It is a
tourists.
great place for tourist.
Okay, yeah, the
Whenever
tourist.
I used to have doubt,
The
no,
tourist
let
will come.
me suggest you. Whenever you have doubt about the formation of the sentence, use of the word, that time always you speak that sentence to your own self twice. You automatically will understand, because what happens, you know, we read storybooks, we come across many different kinds of sentences. So it is automatically fit in our mind. Automatically our brain gives us that idea. So you speak that sentence twice, but loudly. You will come to know whether the sentence formation is correct or not. Yes, Mickey, I'm waiting for your chat. Or else you can speak. Ayush has done now.
Ma'am, she was saying, ma'am, I have done. Ma'am, I have the same
Okay,
question which
that's
I
good.
asked. So,
Ma'am, whole exercise done. Everything.
Very good, Dhirubhai. No doubt. Shall we stop here now?
Ma'am, I've done full page 80.
Ma'am, from the classroom I have also done.
Very
I'm
good.
showing the bit of D.
Now those who have done, I'm sending one link.
Ma'am, of the video.
I'm sending one link, beta. Those who have done 78, 79, 80 can enjoy watching this, and then yes, you can enjoy watching this.
Vansh, stop moving. Vansh. Ashvi, you are not on your place. Okay, adjust your camera properly so we can see you properly. Farzan, turn on your camera. Lamha. Ayansh Jain, turn on your camera.
Ma'am, my camera is on. On just now.
Okay. You have on just now. That's what I am telling you. That you have to keep it on only. See, now also it is off.
Ma'am, when I got the video, my
My
camera
camera
was.
is on now.
Okay, Lamha. Mohit, mute yourself. Mohit. Mohit, mute yourself.
Ma'am, video is done. I have seen the video.
Excuse me, Swati ma'am.
Yes, dear. Yes, Lama.
Ma'am, can you send the video link again?
Video link again.
Then the voice was not audible. It was too low.
You can copy and after the class you can see again. You can copy the link somewhere on your desktop and you can see what afterwards. Because here when the other people mic is switched on, no, that time you cannot see properly.
Ma'am, I have seen the full video.
I request you, if you have seen the video, will you try to solve punctuation? The next lesson, that is page number 18.
Ma'am, I have watched the video.
Try to solve page number 18.
Done, ma'am. Ma'am, today name list.
Sending dear. Sending, huh?
Name list.
see the video.
Look at the chat also. Tomorrow we shall solve this punctuation lesson and we will complete it. Lesson punctuation tomorrow we will solve and complete. Migdat, Nek, Nishika, Parnika, Prisha, Rahil, Riddhi, Ridhan, Riva, Rudra, both. You are expected. All others can leave.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Sayonara.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Baby, your turn is not there today.
Bye, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you please repeat the names?
Names?
Yeah, the names you just said. Except them will go.
Migdad, Nek, Nishika, Parnika, Prisha, Rahil, Riddhi, Ridhan, Riva, and both Rudra.
Okay. Yes.
Kayuri ma'am can also leave if she wants.
Okay, ma'am. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you. Bye.
So my reading starts. All of you are ready? I'm showing you a story.
And why is Arab there?
Enjoy the story.